Now dear students, we will learn how we can add a comment in our code. Comment actually helps us to understand what the code is doing. This is actually written for the better understanding of the code. Let's say commands are used. Let's say if this is serial.begin, I will add a comment over here so that I can get an understanding. Even if this someone else is reading this code, he can understand that what actually serial.begin is doing. So over here I can write over here that initializing serial port. This way, next time if someone reads that serial.begin 9600, it means then he will read the command telling that it's actually initializing the serial port. So there are two ways to comment something. Like over here, if I write these two forward slash, and this is used for single line comment. And if I write like forward slash, then asterisk, and then a piece of code over here, then ends with a asterisk and a forward slash, and then I can write over here anything like this is multi-line comment. And let's just see how this takes effect. Let's save this. Let's see over here that it is written serial.println. Let me copy this code and add another line saying that welcome to learning programming, and let's again add another line saying that welcome to learning microcontrollers. Now we have added three serial.println commands over here, which will actually print three different lines on our serial monitor. Let's save this and let's run this code. You can see that we have three lines over here. Now if I want to remove this, that I don't want to see welcome to learning Arduino on my serial monitor, but actually I want to see that this should be present in my code, but I don't want to use that in my code. And when I write the double forward slash, you see that the color of this line is changed, which means that when the microcontroller will execute this line, he will take it as a comment and will not be used for will not follow the instructions written in this command. So when I save this, let's stop the simulation, let's run it again. You will see that in the serial monitor that welcome to learning Arduino is not shown in the serial monitor because we have added a comment over here. And when I will remove this comment, the two forward slash is for the comment. When I remove that, and let's save, stop the simulation, let's run it again, you will see that we are now going to see welcome to learning Arduino. Now if I want to comment a section of code, like I don't want to see these both lines to take effect in the code, then what I will do that for multi-line commands we will use a forward slash, then a asterisk. Then you can see that the entire code is now have color is changed. That means currently it's saying that all the code is commented, but I just want these two lines to be commented. For multi-line command, again a asterisk, then a forward slash. You can see that we have these two lines commented. So double forward slash is used for single line commands, and this asterisk forward slash and asterisk is used for multi-line commands. So let's save and stop this. Let's run the simulation. You will only see that welcome to learning Arduino because the other two lines we have just commented. So hope you have understood what comments actually serves the purpose and what is the difference between a single line comment and a multi-line comment.